Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 18 of 3 words and expression of a handwritten day. Quick review first. 英语，英语，英语，写字，写字，写字 ，write。翻译，翻译，翻译 ，translate。没有，没有，没有 ，none，no。衣服，衣服，衣服 ，clothes， clothes。商店，商店，商店 ，shop。作业，作业，作业 ，work。老师，老师，老师 ，teacher。上课，上课，上课 ，go to class。Today we are going to learn 电影、音乐、表演。First one for today 电影的影电影影电影 means movie。Sorry。电影。Movie. The film just started. The movie just started. 电影刚刚开始。电 This is word. 影京，北京的京。电影 movie film。电影 Second one for today 音乐，音乐，音乐 means music。音乐 music。音乐 I love pop music。我喜欢流行音乐。音乐 I love pop music。我喜欢流行音乐。Next one 表演，表 ，BER 表，表演，演，表演 ，performance。She performed very well. 她表演得很好。表演，表演，表演。三点水。宝盖头。 performance 表演。电影，movie film 电影。音乐，music 表演，performance。Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what do you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.